Question 5. A businesswoman has meetings at Embankment, Westminster and Baker Street on a Tuesday that will last for 1 hour, 70 minutes and 1:05 respectively. She will also take a break after her third meeting for 20 minutes. Assuming she leaves at 6:26 from King's Cross and only takes the Underground, what is the earliest time she will arrive back? The first thing we notice is that it's a Tuesday, so the circular route is repeated every 75 minutes. This 6:26 is on the first repeat of this route. So first let's start with the departing King's Cross as 6:26. From there we go to Embankment and we see that it's a journey of 23 minutes. So that means they'll arrive at Embankment at 6:49. And that's at Embankment. She has a meeting that's an hour long that lasts to 7:49. And then we've got to find out what the next train is. This train arrived at 6:49 and the next one is 75 minutes later. We need to add on 75 minutes to that. So 6:49 plus 75 minutes, which in 24-hour time is 1:15. And that means that the next train will leave at 8:04. So, from the train that leaves at 8:04 from Embankment, we see that it's a 3-minute journey to Westminster. So we'll be arriving at Westminster 3 minutes later at 8:07. Next thing we need to do is we have a 70-minute meeting. We need to add on 70 minutes to this. That's 1 hour and 10 minutes. That leaves us with the meeting finishing at 9:17. Let's figure out when the next train is. If the train arrived at 8:07, then we have 8:07 plus another 1 hour 15 minutes. And then we obviously have 1 hour is 9, and 7 plus 15 is 22. So the 9:22 arrives at Baker Street. We have a 31-minute gap. So at Baker Street, the 9:22 arrives at 9:53. We then have a 1 hour and 5 minute meeting, which finishes at 10:58. And then we need to add on her 20-minute break. That leaves us at 11:18. Let's figure out when the next few trains are. From here, 9:53, 75 minutes later the next train is at 11:08. So she's missed that train. The next train, if we add on another 75 minutes, is at 12:23. So she can get that train back. The 12:23 train from Baker Street takes what looks to be 18 minutes to get to King's Cross. So 12:23 plus 18 minutes leaves us with an answer of her arrival time of 12:41 at King's Cross.